Hello everyone, welcome to Simsad Aesthetics. I am a professional esthetician and cosmetologist. Stop wasting money on ordinary lip care products that make your dryness worse. Today, you'll learn the single mistake that keeps your lips chapped, the exact 3-step routine estheticians and dermatologists swear by, and the only products you actually need to heal them for good. So watch complete video and subscribe my channel. Section 1. Why our lips get dry. Dry, cracked, flaky, and painful lips are a nearly universal human experience, but they are far from inevitable. The lips are a unique anatomical feature. They have no sebaceous oil glands, a very thin outer layer stratum corneum, and minimal melanin for sun protection. This makes them exceptionally vulnerable to dehydration, environmental aggressors, and physical stress. Section 2. Core pillars of effective lip care routine. Effective lip care is not about a single miracle product. It is a consistent, informed regimen based on locking in moisture, protecting the barrier, and removing triggers. A robust routine is built on 3 non-negotiable actions: exfoliate, hydrate, and protect. Step 1. Exfoliation. To safely reset your lips, start with gentle exfoliation. The purpose is to remove dead skin flakes that block moisturizers and tempt you to pick. Never peel or bite dry skin. The best time to exfoliate is after a warm shower, when the skin is soft. You can use a DIY scrub by mixing fine sugar with a pure oil like jojoba or coconut. Massage gently in circles for just 15 to 20 seconds. Alternatively, use a clean, soft toothbrush with the same gentle motion. If you buy a scrub, choose one with smooth particles and a nourishing base. Crucially, limit this to a maximum of 1 to 2 times per week. Overexfoliation will damage your lips' fragile barrier and make the problem worse. Step 2. Hydration and occlusion. For severely dry lips, hydration is a 2-step process. You need to both add moisture and lock it in. Humectants like hyaluronic acid or glycerin draw water into the skin. Emollients like shea butter and squalane then smooth and soften the tissue. Finally, occlusives like petrolatum or beeswax create a protective seal on top to prevent that moisture from evaporating. The most effective method for cracked lips is the layering technique. Start with damp lips, simply pat them with water after brushing your teeth. Next, for an advanced boost, apply a tiny drop of a gentle, fragrance-free hyaluronic acid serum. This will pull that surface water deep into the lip tissue. Crucially, you must immediately follow this with a thick, nourishing lip balm. Look for a formula containing both emollients and occlusives to seal the humectant and all that hydration in place. This process is especially important overnight. Before bed, apply a generous layer of your richest balm or a dedicated lip mask. This creates an ideal, protected environment for your lips to repair themselves during hours of uninterrupted healing, effectively strengthening their natural barrier by morning. Step 3. Daily sun protection. Sun exposure is a leading and often overlooked cause of chronic dryness, collagen loss, and even precancerous lip changes. This makes daily sun protection an absolute must. You must use a lip balm with broad-spectrum UVA, UVB protection, rated SPF 30 or higher, every single day, year-round. This applies even on cloudy days and in the winter. The key to efficacy is reapplication. You must reapply your SPF lip balm every 2 hours when you are outdoors, and also immediately after eating, drinking, or wiping your lips. For those with sensitive skin, zinc oxide or titanium dioxide-based mineral sunscreens are typically less irritating than chemical sunscreens and are the recommended choice. Section 3. Dermatologist and esthetician recommended brands. These brands are consistently recommended for their formulations that support the skin barrier, avoid common irritants, and are backed by science. For medical-grade repair and severe dryness, CeraVe Healing Ointment contains a triple ceramide complex and hyaluronic acid in a petrolatum base. La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Levres Barrier Repairing Balm, formulated with panthenol, B5, shea butter, and glycerin. Designed specifically for very dry, chapped lips and post-procedure care. Vaseline 100% Pure Petroleum Jelly is a gold standard, pure occlusive. It's inert, hypoallergenic, and perfect for sealing in moisture. For daily maintenance with sun protection, EltaMD UV Lip Balm Broad Spectrum SPF 36 is a mineral, zinc oxide, based formula that is hydrating and great for sensitive skin. Jack Black Intense Therapy Lip Balm SPF 25 is a longtime esthetician favorite. For nourishing treatments and masks, Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask is best. Section 4. Answering your top Google queries. Question 1. Why are my lips so dry, even when I drink a lot of water? Drinking water is vital, but it's not the only factor. If your lips are chronically dry, other common culprits include your environment like low humidity from winter air or air conditioning, which directly pulls moisture from your lips. A major behavioral cause is lip licking. Your saliva contains enzymes that actually break down the delicate lip skin, creating a damaging cycle. Mouth breathing, often during sleep, is another significant source of dryness. Also, check the products you use daily. Harsh toothpastes with SLS and fragranced lip balms can be direct irritants. Even certain foods, like citrus or very spicy items, can trigger a reaction. Finally, persistent dryness, especially cracks at the corners of the mouth, can sometimes indicate a deficiency in nutrients like B vitamins, iron, or zinc. Question 2. Is lip balm addictive? Can it make lips worse? Lip balm is not chemically addictive, but a cycle of dependence is common. This happens for two main reasons. First, poor formulations, often those with only waxes or irritating ingredients like menthol, create a temporary smooth feeling that quickly fades, leaving lips feeling drier than before and triggering more use. Second, the physical act of applying it can become a nervous habit. The solution is to switch to a treatment-grade balm with healing ingredients like ceramides or shea butter, which actually repair your lip barrier and break the cycle of constant reapplication. Question 3. How to heal severely cracked and bleeding lips fast? To heal severely cracked and bleeding lips quickly, you need a sterile medical approach. First, immediately stop using all irritating products, especially those with flavor, fragrance, or a tingling sensation. Gently clean the area with lukewarm water and a soft cloth, patting it dry without rubbing. Next, apply a thin layer of pure white petrolatum, like Vaseline, to protect the wound. If there is significant swelling and itching, a 1% hydrocortisone ointment, not cream, can be used for 2 to 3 days, but consult a doctor or pharmacist first. Finally, practice absolute discipline. Do not pick, peel, or lick the lips. If needed, drink through a straw to avoid further irritation. Question 4. Best ingredients to look for versus ingredients to avoid. For healing, seek out protective, barrier-repairing ingredients like petrolatum, lanolin, ceramides, shea butter, squalane, hyaluronic acid, and zinc oxide. Conversely, avoid common irritants that can worsen dryness. These include menthol, camphor, phenol, artificial fragrances, and essential oils like peppermint, eucalyptus, and cinnamon. Also, check your toothpaste for sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS, a frequent drying agent. A few key lifestyle adjustments can significantly support your lip health from the inside out. First, use a humidifier in your bedroom, especially in dry climates or during winter, to combat moisture loss from heated air. Second, support your skin barrier through diet by consuming foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like salmon and walnuts, and B vitamins, found in eggs and whole grains. Finally, be mindful of potential allergies, especially to metals like nickel found in some lip products, which can cause persistent irritation. I hope you liked this video, so follow these guidelines and make your lips hydrated and healthy and subscribe my channel.